Bemunu mulikito dipo nasanya soroboturu. Aba sae bekyumbe kyalinda mwananchi nigo besokire nabigo kwene kibuna guchikorobekana lituko lya Aramisi asogo kya kunyura bali babete bagusira magima abo nabigo chigarwa chingoma ase heturano yabete kwene kigwa asensemo ya Kimbo nigo bego barubulira abananchi besokya asobonge haso kubwaterana haso kurobekana uko.
My name is Frida Onduso and I'm here with the Linda Mwananchi Gusii region team. We are here to address a very simple thing. When people were killed, others injured at Keumbu, we expected swift action from the National Police Service. We expected the government to take it seriously. People have been crying online, videos flying left, right and center with women shouting that people should be killed, and there is an entire public outcry concerning this matter. Now sadly, my fellow citizens, on the day that these people were arraigned in court, 7 suspects arraigned in court, and guess what? That case did not happen because the prosecutor and the arresting officers did not show up. As a matter of fact, there was no file to start the case in the first place. So we are asking this government, the KK government, is it that you are deaf and dumb? Is it that you cannot hear what boliga bantu bagosoka bakura batebangenge tekineke be
getinge mwensi ese mwabeta sabirense gabaraibe kanisa sabirense yiga cinga giciri cya kare twa badendingi mwananseki bari gukwanira igoro yobo bibokoreka sense ekero bari gukwanese yari gotegerera imokango jipaba sasiroti baitu aba bishop baitu kemea mangana yagendereta abananchi bagokwa kira lituko. Please kora yo senge njobu yaki yara kumugusina mwanya getinga nabantu bwato mulembe bagokaribisa abantu bandi bose amanyinga atago itekanga yaro abantu all over ga gunsaro all over rushing people. Please take charge onyo mwasinyu go take charge ekatibe ga goteba buya mangana yo onto kunyara go yekerane karua baba ko ikirane bazo office bagora mangana yo buya mono sa.
On Thursday the 9th tunataka kutokea, kila mtu atokee. This time round hatutokei kama watu wa Linda Mwananchi, hatutokei kama watu wa... Tunataka kuambia serikali kwa sababu hamtaki kutujali. Sisi wacha tujijali, tutokee tuambie watu tunataka amani ama namna gani? Amani ndio tunataka na tutakuwa tukitembea hadi hapo Keumbu. Kama ni hizo ndizi tutakula hapo na tuambie watu sisi tunataka amani.